Okay, so you want to feel more confident when you're speaking English.
That's a really common goal.
Yeah. And we found a podcast episode
A whole episode.
full of tips to boost your confidence.
Whether you're, just starting out,
Or you've been at it for a while.
doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it starts with something we hear all the time.
What's that?
Practice.
Oh, yeah, of course practice.
But they actually make it kind of fun.
Oh, how do they do that?
They suggest like narrating your day.
Narrating your day.
Yeah, so while you're making breakfast.
So, I'm pouring the coffee now.
Exactly. I mean, who knew toast could be so eloquent?
That's a good point. You're already doing the task.
You're just adding in the speaking part.
Makes it feel more natural.
Less like you're performing.
Right. More like a habit.
Exactly. But even with practice,
We're all human.
we're going to make mistakes.
Oh, yeah, that's inevitable.
And the episode really emphasizes that.
Mistakes are part of the process.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time. If you think about it,
And trying to be perfect.
that actually hurts your confidence.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're so scared of messing up.
Exactly.
You end up not speaking at all.
So embrace the stumbles.
Yeah, they're proof that you're learning.
You're growing.
You're getting better.
Absolutely.
Another thing they suggest,
Okay, what's that?
starting simple.
Simple.
Yeah, sometimes we try to
She's
get,
fancy.
do all these big words.
But clear communication.
That's what's important.
You just want to get your point across.
Like if you're asking for direction,
for a coffee shop.
right, simple words, get the job done.
And you'll feel more confident using them.
Because you know you can do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this next tip,
Okay.
this is one of my favorites.
I'm intrigued.
Tell me, immerse yourself in English.
Immerse.
Movies,
Okay.
podcasts.
Podcasts. We're doing one right now.
I know, right?
Books.
Music even.
Yeah. It's like you're just absorbing the language.
You're just surrounded by it
You're enjoying yourself. And you're learning at the same time.
without even realizing it.
That's the best way.
It's pretty cool how that works.
Yeah, you start thinking in English.
The more you immerse yourself,
It just happens naturally.
but it's not just about what you say.
Oh, right. There's more to it.
The episode talks about body language,
Oh, that's so important.
standing tall,
Making eye contact.
projecting confidence.
Even if you don't feel it at first.
It actually makes you feel more
You know,
confident.
it's like a feedback loop.
It really is. It's amazing how much
Our bodies can influence
our thoughts and our feelings.
Exactly.
And finally,
Last but not least,
find people to practice with.
people to practice with.
Yeah. Language exchange groups,
Those are great.
conversation partners,
Even online forums,
whatever works for you.
but real life practice.
That's what helps you build fluency.
You got to get out of your comfort zone.
Exactly. So to sum it all up,
Okay, let's recap.
practice,
Practice.
embrace mistakes,
Don't be afraid to mess up.
keep it simple,
Clear communication.
immerse yourself in English,
Surround yourself with the language.
and strike a confident pose.
Stand tall.
Make eye contact.
You got this.
Don't forget to celebrate those small wins.
And every step counts.
Every step gets you closer
To your goal.
to feeling more confident.
Speaking English.
So what's one small action
Just one thing
you can take today
to practice.
with more confidence?
Take a moment and think about that.
Confidence builds over time.
It's a journey.
Enjoy the ride.
You're on your way.
You got this.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing and you'll get there.